This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, one and all. In last session, we have seen configuration related to enterprise structure. And in today's session, we are going to see further configuration related to personnel structure. For that, you need to go to transaction SPRO, then click on SAP reference IMG. And like yesterday's session, you have to go to enterprise structure, then expand definition, and in definition first financial accounting, where we define company, we have edited data related to company. And then we have created personal area from this human resource management section, where we have created personal area and sub area. And now the next configuration is related to personal structure. For that, first step is you have to configure employee groups. In any organization, employee groups are divided into whether they are permanent, whether they are contractual, whether they are trainee. So we can configure in this section in employee group. To execute this action, you have to click on IMG activity. To click on this IMG activity, you can directly click on through mouse, or otherwise I have told you have to click on Shift tab, and then you have to click on spacebar. Once you click on the spacebar, you will get this kind of screen where you will get existing employee groups. Now, if you want to create your own employee groups, you have to click on New Entries tab. Let me just quickly click on that, and here you need to assign a code for your employee group, and in this column you have to mention what kind of employee groups you have. So let me just give one code. You can enter any code, like it is numeric or alphanumeric, any kind of code. For the timing, I'll select C. For my employee group is permanent employee. Permanent employee. And in my organization, I have two employee groups, that is permanent and contractual. So I am going to create one more employee group here, and I have given a code for my employee group is D for contractual employee. Enter your values, and whatever the code you have given for your permanent and contractual employee, please note down, because these codes we require in further configuration. System will ask us what is your code for your permanent employee, what is your code for contractual employee. To save your entries, I recommended you that you can save your entries in Word or in your notepad. Just I have created two employee groups. In employee group section, that is further divided into two parts, permanent and contractual. On the left hand side, this column is for permanent employee. I have given code for permanent employee C, and the next column that is related to contractual employee. For contractual employee, I have given code D. To save this, and now save your entries here. You have successfully created two employee groups here, permanent and contractual. Click on back. Again, click on back. And now we have to create employee subgroup in personnel structure. Execute this and click on define employee subgroup, where you will get this kind of existing employee subgroups. Now, if you want to create your own, click on new entries. And again, if you want to create a subgroup, first you need to give a code for your subgroup and mention the details about subgroup. Mostly subgroups are like salary or wages based on your employee groupings. Most of permanent employees are salaried and contractual employees are on wages. So I'm going to create two employee subgroups here, salaried and wages. And I'm going to give a code that is CC for salaried employee, salaried employee, and DG for wages employee. Click on enter. Sometimes you will get error in this because whatever the code you have given, that is already present in previous configuration. At that time you have to select a different code. Now system has taken it successfully because this CC or DD, this code is not present in the system. Let me just quickly save this employee subgroup for future reference. Again, in under employee subgroups, the employee subgroup is further divided into two parts, salaried and wages. For salaried employee, I have given CC, and for wages employee, I have given DG. To save your entries and save here as well. Click on continue. Now you have successfully created employee subgroup also. So this is about personnel structure. We have successfully created personnel structure as well. And now the next part, guys, that is assignment. Scroll down. If you see here, there is one option, assignment. Assignment is nothing but a linking. Linking of what? We are linking whatever the configuration we have created. We have created company code. We have created personnel area. But system don't know which company code belongs to which company, which location belongs to which company. So we will link those things here. Let me just show you. Expand this. And if you want to again collapse this, you can click on left tab. Then this transaction will be get collapsed. This is the functionality. And now in assignment, first option is financial accounting. Just a minute, guys. Hello. Sorry for interruption, guys. So we are talking about assignment. First, you need to click on financial accounting. In financial accounting, first option is assign company code to company. Whatever the company code we have created, we have to assign it to our company. So execute this. And here you will get option on the bottom, position. Click on position and system is asking about company code. And our company code is VI01. Now for VI01, for this code, which company belongs to? If you know directly, you can type here VI01, or you can click on drop down option as well. Now my company is showing here. Select your company and click on enter and save your entry. Click on continue. Now your company is assigned to this company. This is a link key. Click on back. Similarly, we have to assign our personnel area to company group. For that, you need to go to human resource section, which is on below. This human resource management section. Expand this, and in human resource management section, first option is there, assignment of personnel area to company code. Execute this, and here click on position. Now system is asking us about personnel area, and if you forgot your personal area, take a reference of your document where we have saved our personal area. We have given a name or code for our personal area is VIM. So enter VIM here. For VIM personal area that we have created, VIM Industries Mumbai, assign company code. That means we are assigning this location to our company. Our company code is VI01. I have assigned our company code here, and in the next column, if you click on tab, you will go to this section, that is country grouping. Country grouping is a code for a country. For India, country grouping is 40. Select this, click on enter and save your entry. Click on continue. You have successfully assigned your location to your company. Similarly, now the last configuration is assign employee subgroup to employee groups. Whatever the employee subgroups we have created, we have to assign it to our employee group. Click on execute. Click on new entries. Here, system is asking us about employee group. So we have created two employee groups. If you remember, we have created permanent employee and we have created contractual employee. So let me first create a configuration related to permanent employee. I have given a code for permanent employee, that is C. Let me just confirm here. For VIM Industries, I have given C. C is for permanent employee. Let me select here C. Once you click type C, it will show results that C is for permanent employee. Click on that, and the next tab is for employee subgroup. Click on tab, you will get there. And for this employee group, what will be the employee subgroup you want to assign? Now for permanent employee, I would like to assign salaried group, that is employee subgroup. For that salaried employee subgroup, we have given a code CC. So let me just select CC, which is for salaried employee, then click on enter. You will get results here. C is for permanent employee. For permanent employee, I am assigning employee subgroup salary. That means permanent employees are on salary. And here one more configuration is required. You have to select your country here. Scroll down, and our country is India. Select this checkbox. Click on enter and save. Click on continue and click on back. This is all about one employee group we have just created. We have one more employee group. For that, you can click on new entries. So our next employee group is contractual. For contractual, we have given code D. So I have just typed D, select contractual employee here, click on tab, and for contractual employee, I am going to assign employees who are on wages. For wages, we have created a code that is DD. Click on DD, and now similarly click on enter. So you will get overview here. D is for contractual employee, and contractual employees will be on wages. Further, similarly, like last configuration, you have to select your country here, scroll down and select this checkbox and save your entry. So data was saved successfully. Now, if you want to see whatever the assignments you have done, you can again click on this position and you can see here. So this is our configuration. For C, we have assigned employee subgroup CC, that is salaried, and D is our configuration for contractual employee. DD is assigned, that is wages employee. So our configuration is correct. So in today's session, guys, we have successfully seen how to configure personnel structure along with assignment. Hope you like this session. Thank you so much. And we'll connect back in the next session.